Hey guys, Zach here. Or should I say Ufinagi here? Damn, I'm calling myself Ufinagi from now on in my videos. So yeah, I'm actually recording on a new device. A camera. Look. So that's what I'm going to be using to record most of my videos now. So don't get me wrong if this is a short, but still recording, so don't get me wrong. I hope this is a video. If you're watching this, it was uploading from my camera to my computer to YouTube was a success. Hopefully, I can actually get where I need. So, if I use into the red, you go to bed.